we are here to show you how to install your Aquacristal in your oval pier.
First, you take your upper tank, turn it upside down. You take the ring that came with your filter. The bull nose goes in first. Put your thumb there and just gently squeeze in. Check for tightness. If there's any looseness in it, then you take it out. Take your secondary ring that came with your filter and install that in the same method by just squeezing until it goes on. Then you take it again and reinstall it the same way we did the first time. With the two larger rings on the outside. Take your tank, turn it back upright. Some water, your filter, spray the outside of your filter to get it wet. Spray the inside of your silicone to get that wet. Equal pressure. Then slowly push it all the way in, and now your filter is ready for work. Now to take it out, put the filter flat on the table, put your thumbs on the inside, and gently push down until your thumbs come in contact, and then slowly turn in circular motion and lift at the same time. Now your filter is out.
Wonderful.